Hi, April. How was your trip to Venice?
Hi, Martin. In one word, it was terrible.
Why? What happened?
Well, at first, everything was wonderful. The problem started when we landed in Venice. Our luggage got lost, and we had to wait for its arrival. The payment for the hotel reservation wasn't received by the hotel, so we had to pay for the accommodation once more. Finally, the weather was terrible. It was raining and the wind was constantly blowing.
Oh my God, that's really sad. We all like holidays, but sometimes not everything goes well. Here's a list of what may be wrong. You can 1. Get a sunstroke. 2. Miss the flight. 3. Get seasick. 4. Lose passport. 5. Have a flat tire. 6. Have your luggage, wallet stolen. 7. Lose the way. 8. Have an accident. Say what problems you have ever had during holidays. Let's think what we may feel when we have problems during holidays. We can be 1. Confused, when we do not understand what's happening. 2. Frustrated, when we are stressed or annoyed. 3. Irritated, when we are angry. And if everything turns out well, we are 1. Relieved, we no longer feel stressed. 2. Delighted, we are very happy. 3. Surprised, we have a sense of wonder. Make up several sentences with these words. Now let's have some practice.